Hi, this is Jack from DanteGamer.com, and today we are unboxing the Microsoft Surface Go and the pen and the type cover. We are first going to move the type cover and the pen to the other side and then have a look at the Surface Go. This Surface Go comes with an Intel Pentium Gold 4415Y processor, 8GB of RAM, a Intel HD 615 graphics processor, a 128GB solid state hard drive, and comes with Windows 10 Professional installed. It has a 10-inch pixel sense display with a resolution of 1800 by 1200. Its dimensions are 9.5 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and just under half an inch thick, and it weighs in just over half a kilo including the type cover. And first off, we have the documentation including the user guide. Next we have the UK power adapter. So here we have the new Surface Go. This looks and feels like a mini version of the Surface Pro 4. Like the Surface Pro 4, it has a mini kickstand at the back. Along the top it has a power button and volume control. Along the bottom it has a type cover connector. Alongside it has a headset jack, a USB-C port, and a Surface connector port. And that's the Surface Go unboxed. So here we have the pen and the type cover. So first off, we're going to unbox the type cover. And here we unbox the new pen. If you look closely, it's got two buttons on it. There's one at the end and one near the front. So this is how you connect the type cover to the Surface Go. As you can see, it's magnetic and can snap together. So here's a quick size comparison between the Surface Go and the Surface Pro 4. So that was the unboxing of Surface Go, and if you enjoyed and want to see some more like this, remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.